absolute easiest way to build this sort of business very, very quickly, very ethically, and it's actually a really it's a ton of fun. It's, if you're a creative, you will certainly enjoy this process. Go to Canva and simply, this is my account, right? So you can see just how many various types of files and folders and types of, kind of designs that we have for our mindful marketplace and, associated businesses. And I mean, again, if you go into, let's see if I can show you our projects tab, and then I'll show you how to actually start to do this for yourself. So you can, I mean, these are all the different projects for, authors and artists and teachers and trainers and therapists and mental health professionals and e-commerce entrepreneurs. Really, there is no limit to the amount of files that you can actually create and sell using this particular model. So I want to show you this one in particular because people have asked about like journals and workbooks for clients.